Is that sticky? Oh, tanaw sis. Feeling. Pa-feeling. Huh? What? Oh, what's that? Huh? That's a pretty girl. That's a build. Hold my hand. So we will vlog this one. $260 gali dito. 260. Unlimited na. Pero at least, di ba, walay dayon ka ng wa sila na ID ko ha. Ah, bantog. Di ba na ko kinahanglan tag ID. Bunto. Nagkuha na ko ganina wa. Oha, announce ba ko? Dulo daw. Ah, tulog. Say hello. Ay, sorry po. Say hello. Ano siya? Ha? Ha? Ah, maayo. Ano yan? Trailer shopper, pony cycle, nitro drift, photos. Kita oy. Ibili lang na to. Do you want to ride that? Why? Why? Answer me. I think I want to ride that. Oh, let's go, let's go. Oh. Adventurous ang mama. Babe, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look. Look. You want to ride that? Oh, roller coaster. Oh, na lang kadapit.
On the court, time ticking on the clock. Baby, I'ma try to score. You don't have us on the block. Nothing really your line. With all the options that you got.
It's okay, may nagpipray naman para sa atin. Ang wagi kuyog. Dinhi na siguro. Ayun o, meron sila dito lang. Papila. Uy, sis, dili kita sa pila. Come on. Okay. Dirara mo. Walat ako. Excited? Are you excited? Huh? What? Let you walk later. We wait there later. Wow! Do not move. Tabangin ko gawin niya sis. Isa ka kamot. Roller coaster. What? Are you excited? Look at me. Are you excited, sir?
Yeah, and my favorite rainbow.
Okay. Do not, you want to go a bit there? And you want to fall? Get bumped by the roller coaster? Ito lang. O may pa go or not. Ingon na sila mga Ay, ginoo ko. Hawiri ang manak sis. Asagi. Sakang tawa din siya. Oh my goodness. Iyutan! Wow! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ay, piso.
Without your planning.
Ha? Wow! There's are two planets daw. Sis, turao. May mga planets daw. Uy, murag gagaw sunon. Akong tiyan. Wow! Sang katawa ang sagang. O, last na tani, no? What? It's so scary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you scared? Oh, ayaw man ako pinasin! Wow! Dapit. Ano ko katanaw? Pura siya gigitik. We're done. We're finished. Are you happy? Happy ko rin yan. Nagawa na po. Nag-ride na po. Oh, Ningara. Uy, kahadlok. Nani na sila dire. Hadlok kayo, no? Ang bag, gibutan na di mo sa ilalong. Ako, very good. Ganda pala sa gabi, no? Are you scared or not? Why? Look at this camera. Are you scared or not? Why? About your experience. What can you say about your experience in the what? Ano nga yung ano? Sinakyan natin kanina. In the roller coaster ano? Rock field runner, no? What is your experience about the field runner? Ha? Ha? Do not go there, it's the door, it will open.
Nakakakas tumoy.
Nandun sa tumoy, sis? Ayaw pa kong istoryahin pa. Hi guys! Welcome to the Sagats Vlog!
Kapit sa kwan. Sa gawas.
Fuck di ay!
Tama lang, Lisa. Tayo padagano ng kan. Pas-pas.
No, kay dako, no?
Habog.
Dis katong sa pagyar, gagmay magutong ni Purana ta, duhara mo. No. Di yun siya closed door nga katurang na mo rag katong isakyan nato ba, nga utang lock lang. Because we're up above, that's why we can see what's below
Yeah.
from a bird's perspective.
Why, Mommy? Why?
Because we're up above. Because because we ride a Ferris wheel.
Why, Mommy? Why?
Because Tita come in the Pampanga to celebrate her birthday. Can you sing happy birthday to Tita?
Why, Mommy? Why?
Ha? Uy. Sing happy birthday to Tita.
Why, Mommy?
Let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Hoy. Ano nang gagawin natin dyan? Hey, are you happy? Are you happy? Why? Ha? Ha? Sis! Unsaon na? Mm.
4 to 38 medium
Kuha na sa ano yan? Hindi na-announce ako. Pick ducks and add numbers under the bottom of the ducks. Pick 4 to 38 medium. Di ko kagets. Ano daw? SM? Of the year. It's a very tiring day. Did you enjoy? How was your Sky Ranch experience? Sagat. Huh? How was your Sky Ranch experience? Are you happy?
Sky.
Yeah, are you happy?
Up for Papa for the sky.
Oh, okay. What did you ride today? You ride a? Oh, my feet are Huh? We wait for the food. Tita already ordered the food.